In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a smooth and engaging toggle switch animation in Adobe XD using the Auto Animate feature. This step-by-step process will guide you from designing the initial state to refining the final animation for a sleek user interaction. So, let's dive right in. To kick things off, think about what interaction scenario you want to animate. In this example, we'll focus on a toggle switch that seamlessly transitions from off to on. Imagine it as a switch on a device. You tap it and it moves, changing its position and color, indicating whether a feature is active or inactive. Let's start by creating two separate artboards. The first artboard, which we can call Artboard A, represents the initial state. Here, the toggle knob is positioned on the left side, with a gray background to signify the off state. Now for Artboard B, which is the final state, move the knob to the right and change the background color to green, signaling the on state. The next step involves duplicating and modifying these artboards. Begin by duplicating Artboard A to form Artboard B. This ensures that the structural elements remain consistent, making it easier for Auto Animate to identify corresponding elements across transitions. On Artboard B, it's crucial to rename the layers or groups to match those on Artboard A. This way, the software knows which elements should transition or animate. Now, it's time to modify the properties you want to animate. For instance, move the knob, adjust its color, or tweak the opacity if desired. Don't forget to change the background color as well. Now that your artboards are set up, switch over to prototype mode. Here, the fun part begins. Select the element that will trigger the interaction. In this case, it could be the switch background or the knob itself. Drag the connector arrow from this element to Artboard B. In the interaction panel, let's configure the animation details. For the trigger, select Tap, since this is a touch interaction. For action, choose Auto Animate. Set Artboard B as the destination. To ensure a smooth and natural feeling motion, select an easing type, like Ease In-Out. Lastly, set the duration somewhere between 0.3 to 0.5 seconds. This time frame offers a quick yet responsive transition. With everything set up, click the play or preview button to see your animation in action. As you observe, pay attention to how the knob slides and how the colors transition. If something doesn't appear as expected, for example, if the objects fade instead of slide, double-check that the layer or group names match across both artboards. This alignment is essential to prevent Adobe XD from treating elements as new objects, which can lead to unwanted fading effects. Continue to tweak the easing, duration, or object positions until everything looks just right. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've created an effective toggle switch animation that not only looks professional, but also enhances user interaction. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.